check, okay, sound off.
Mr. City Administrator Attorney Wardy Quintos, palakpakan natin ang buong City Administrator's Office. Sa lahat sa inyo, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. Hello. Isang linggo na naman tayo maglilingkod, ano? I would like to take this opportunity to thank the government of Singapore, especially the academic institution, openly accommodated our requests, and our requests were granted to learn things. And for the past 3 days, I'm very happy to report to you, to the people of Manila, like what we have done with the in-city vertical housing program sa lungsod. Nakita nga ni Mark Delpin. Sabi ko, tingnan mo yung disenyo ng pabahay nila sa disenyo ng pabahay natin. In fact, some of it, mas maganda pa yung atin. Pero kopya lang yun. Nangopya lang ako. And we are going to continue that goal to provide decent housing, masisilungan, disenteng, tahanan, at pagbibigay ng dignidad sa pamilyang walang pag-aaring bahay. And some of you benefited from it also. Sabi nga natin, kung mabuti tayo sa kapitbahay natin, kailangan mabuti rin tayo sa loob ng bahay natin. I'm happy, I would like to congratulate some of you who benefited from the program. But with that study, I have learned that I think we are in the right track on creating more open green space. They are building so much open green space for the next generation. So we are on the right track on putting more open green space in our city. I've learned why most, if not all, Singaporeans, especially the young ones, are able to find jobs after graduating in a polytechnic university like Republic Polytechnic. The educational program of the state of Singapore ay binabagayan yung demand ng kanyang komunidad. So, those are the things that we have learned, and I'm really amazed that they are ahead of its time. I think they are now preparing a 2050 program for food security, like lesson learned during the pandemic. And now they are adapting to this level. They are now into robotic food farming and food production, and utilizing AI as a source for being or creating efficient food production facility. These are the things that modern countries or fully developed countries are doing right now. But the good news is that it is not rocket science. Hindi ho yan going to Mars. It's highly duplicable, can be replicated, and can be done also somewhere in the world. Maybe in Manila. But for the meantime, we will continue to focus and we will not dissuade our dreams and aspiration to deliver MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Now, like what the city administrator is saying, in the coming days, there will be turbulent times for our city because we make changes and changes that may other political colors will utilize. Mukhang hindi pa sila nakamove on sa eleksyon. At mukhang pulutan na naman nila ako sa politika. Huwag na kayo umasa. Kayo na lang magpresidente. Total, makukulong din naman kayo pagkatapos eh. Naging habit na natin yan eh. I really don't care. With all honesty. I owe it to the people of Manila. This second win. I owe it to you. I will stay. I will stay if you allow me for the next 10 years of our lives. Huwag niyo na ako isama dyan sa mudslinging competition ninyo. Hayaan ko na kayong manalo. Pero someday, you're going to us. And you're gonna ask for our vote. The people of Manila will vote for those who fit in the office. Who seem, or the way we look at it. But for the meantime, sabi ko paulit-ulit, hindi madali itong second term na to. Nalulungkot lang ako sa mga ibang politiko pagpalundagin who doesn't know and decide and choose hard decision. And in leadership, sometimes you have to bite the bullet. Maasim man ang suka, kailangan mong inumin. And leaders should be in front, not behind. Leaders, the root word is lead. Lead, normally, ang pinakamadali na ibig sabihin nun, ikaw ang nasa unahan. Hindi ka nagtatago sa takot mong ma-re-elect o sa takot mong ma-elect. Because decisions should be made. Decisions must be done. And hard decisions, ang pinakamadali sa pagiging leader ay yung Miss Congeniality, pang Miss Universe. Wala kang gawin, wala kang kaaway. Pero wala ring serbisyo. At nakita nyo yan. Lagi nyong ilalagay sa inyong puso, sa inyong isipan. Magbubuti tayo. Pahabain natin ang kamay natin. Aakapin natin ang kaya nating akapin. Iraraos natin ang dapat nating iraos. Of all these things, all the problems, ay pinakikiusap ko naman sa inyo. Kaya itutugunan ko, kakarapin ko. I will bear responsibility. Nobody is to blame. Especially yung mga mahihinang loob na madaling lumundag. I bear full responsibility of actions going to be taken by the city to resolve real problem with real solution. And real solution sometimes bitter. Okay lang ang bitter kapag kinakain mo ay ampalaya. Maganda yan sa diabetes. Sa buhay, hindi yan maganda.